Editing like this is super easy in CapCut. First learn how to edit it and then learn from which website you can download it, which is copyright free. So let's get started. So import the video, then click on overlay to add your green screen, which is about the voice. Click on this green screen. Click on this. Then already selected your green screen. Just adjust it on the screen. Come here and click on cutout. Then click on chroma key. Then select the green screen and increase the intensity. Okay, then click on yes. So started your green screen. Then decrease this and let's start it.
Is waning, is this entertaining?
It's done. So now how you can download the voice green screen which you can use for your video. So come back here, click on Chrome, write green screen memes.com. Click on these three lines, click on top 100 and come here, click on this the voice video green screen and click on download. So click on download and it will download into your Google Drive. Download it from there to your gallery and then import it into your CapCut as a overlay, and it's done. Make sure subscribe for more if you wanted to be a professional in CapCut. Thanks for watching.